disasters. A natural disaster refers to a catastrophic event, typically caused by natural force which resulting in widespread destruction, loss of life, and severe disruptions to human society and the environment. Tornado. Tornadoes are powerful rotating columns of air that descend from thunderstorms, capable of producing destructive winds and causing significant damage. Earthquake. Volcano. Volcanic eruptions occur when molten rock, gases, and other materials are expelled from a volcano, often leading to ash clouds, lava flows, and pyroclastic flows. Drought. Droughts are prolonged periods of abnormally low precipitation, causing water scarcity, crop failure, and ecological imbalances. Flood. Wildfire. Landslide. Landslides occur when masses of rock, soil, or debris rapidly move down a slope, often triggered by heavy rainfall, earthquakes, or human activities. Hurricane. Tsunami. Tsunamis are often triggered by undersea earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides, and they can cause massive and destructive ocean waves. Blizzard or snowstorm. Avalanche. Hailstorm. Natural disasters are unpredictable and can occur without warning, making preparedness and response efforts critical for minimizing their impact. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.